Banking regulations are changing, but here's the truth most people miss. Rules don't protect you. Knowledge does. Today I'm going to show you how to protect your money and stay ahead under the new banking regulations. In part 1, we covered what's changing. In part 2, we explained how it affects bankers and consumers. Now it's time for the most important part, what you can do. Most people only react after something goes wrong. Overdraft fees, denied loans, frozen accounts. Financial literacy helps you move from reaction to preparation. Start with the basics. Know your checking account rules, your savings limits, your overdraft settings, your transfer timelines. Your account disclosures tell you everything. Most people never read them. Under new banking regulations, fee structures may change. Pay attention to monthly maintenance fees, debit card usage, overdraft charges. Small fees quietly add up. Your credit controls your financial options. Monitor your credit report, pay balances on time, keep utilization low. Regulation changes impact lending. Strong credit gives you leverage. Emergency funds protect you when systems slow down. Aim for at least 1 month of expenses. Then 3. Even small deposits build resilience. Banks expect informed customers. Ask, why was this fee charged? How does this policy work? What options do I have? Knowledge changes conversations. If you work in banking, your role is bigger than transactions. You're a financial guide. Explain, teach, clarify. Every interaction builds trust. Policies may change, but compliance is always your foundation. Stay current on disclosures, documentation, training updates. Confidence comes from preparation. Smaller institutions thrive when members are informed. Education strengthens relationships. Strong relationships protect communities. Consumers should watch for unexpected fees, unrecognized transactions, sudden policy changes. Early awareness prevents bigger problems. Financial literacy helps you compare products, understand disclosures, spot red flags, build confidence. Money becomes a tool, not a stressor. Here's your starter plan. Review your accounts. Check your credit. Build savings. Ask questions. Repeat monthly. If this helped, like the video. Subscribe for weekly banking education. Comment what topic you want next. We're building financial confidence together. Banking regulations will always change, but informed people always win. Learn money, so money doesn't control you. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial, legal, or investment advice. Please consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.